All right. Yeah, okay, okay. Tiffany. Tiffany, where are you at? Okay. Yeah, it does.
I found that in a box clear back.
Is that the one?
Yeah. Yeah. Like, wait.
What do you want to tell us about, Judy?
This 1947 Buick Special 4-door fastback, body only. The frame has been lengthened a couple of feet. It's got modern V8 engine, 455, air conditioning, automatic, power steering, power brakes, leather interior, big back seat, air shocks on the back.
All right, runs like a top. It just rides like a dream. All right, how much? Right here, would you get $35,000? Yeah, 35. Here down in the 35. Down in the $35,000. Here down in the 35. Get 20. Yeah, 20,000. 20. $120 and 20. $120,000. Here down in the 20. We'll get 10. Yeah, 10,000. $10,000. $10,000. Here down in the 5. 10,000. I got 5. 10. Yeah, 5 to get 10,000. 5 to get 10. $10,000. Here down 15. 10. 15. Yeah, 15,000. 10. 15. Down in the 10. 15. I got 10 down 15. 12. 5. 15. I got 12. 5, 15,000, 12, 5, 15, down in the 15, $15,000 here down in the 12, 5, 15, down 50, you got 15, 17, 5, I got 15 ahead of you, 17, 5, 20 grand, yeah, 20,000, 20, 20,000, 20 here down in the 17, 5, 20, it's 17, 5, 20, now 20, now 20, 20 here down in the 20,000, it's 17, 5, 20, it's 17, 5, 20, $20,000 here down in the 20, 20, 20, just give 19, let's go, it's 19, I got 17, 5, 19,000, it's 17, 5, $19,000 here down in the 19. It's 17.5, 19,000. You know, there's one car. When you look at the picture in the ads, you come to sale, and by golly, that looks just as good as the picture. So many times the picture looks better than what you come to see. I got 17.5, 20, 17.5, 20,000, 17.5, 19. Yes.
Look at these doors. Look at how the doors shut.
Oh, it's tight. It's tight. It's nice.
Look at that.
I only got 17.5, 20 grand. It's 17.5, 19 grand. Do that. It's 17.5, 19,000. It's 17.5, now 20. At 19, or now 20. At now 20. At 20,000. 19, 20. Hello, Beanie. At 20,000. I got 19, 20. At 20,000. 19, or now 20. At now 1. At 21,000. 21,000. At 19, at 20. 21,000. I got 20, 21. At 20, $21,000 down in the net. 21, 20,001. At 20,100. 20,001. At 20,000, $21,000 here down in the 21. What'd he say? 20,001, 21, 21,000, 21. I'll boy, anybody here, as long as you got the money, you can bid. 21, 21. Tell you what, a paint job like that, guys, you know what they cost you? 20, 21, 21, 2,000, 21. Now that paint is beautiful. 21.
Got a lot more in it than that.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Anybody has a car like that's got a lot more in it than that. Okay, it takes a ton of money to get them up and get them looking like it. 21, 21. I got 20,000, 21, 20,000, 21, 21, 21. You want to get 20,005? Here we go. 20,005. I got 20,000, 20,005. Anybody else want in? 20,500, 20,005, 20,005 times here. 20,005 on the internet, 20,005. Anybody? Sold her. Beanie, you got a nice one. $20,000. Give me a hand. 125. All right. You want to sell this one? All right. All right, now we got a 67 Buick Riviera. Boy, it purrs like a kitten in a creamery. Purrs like a kitten in a creamery. All right, what we got to say about this one, John? 150 miles on a rebuilt engine. All right. All right. Miles unknown. Is that right? I'm pretty sure I'm right on that. Miles unknown. Yeah, miles unknown. All right. All right, how much? Right here, market exceeded. Yeah, miles exceeded. All right, right here down in the tell me here down in the 8,000. Whoop, 8 here down in the 8 here down in the 8 he'll get 5, 6, 7. It's 7,000. Both you guys 65. It's 65. 7 grand. 75. 8,000. 85. 85. 9 grand. 95. I'm ahead of you, Todd. 95. 95. 95. 195. 95. 10 grand. 10,000. 5. 10. 5. Got 10. 5. Help yourself. 11,000. Now 11. I got 10. 5. 11. Where'd he go? 11,000. 11,5. 11,5. And now 11,5. $12,000. $12,000. 12,5. 12,5. And now 13. 14. 15. 16. It's 16,000. Now 16. 17,000. At 18,000. 18. 17. 18,000. Whoops. 18. 19. At 19. 18,5. Now slow down. 18,5. 18,5. I got 18,5. I got 18,5. Anybody got 18,5? You want to give 2.5, Bean? 18, 2.5. I got 18, 2.5. Anybody else? 18, 2.5. Here you do it. 18, 250. Anybody else? 18, 2.5. Sold her. 18,000. Way back.
24.
24. All right, down here. Now we got the 49 Chrysler. This is what the kids ran around in when they was in high school. All right. 49 Chrysler, straight six. All right. And it needs restored. It's non-running. All right, how much? 4 grand. 4 here down in the 4. He'll get 2,000. I got $2,000 in the 1,000. 2,000. Well, 1, 2. I got $2,000 here down in the 1,000. 2. 1,500. I got 1,000. 1,500 down in the 15 here down in the 1,000. 12.5. Now 15. And now 15. And now 15. 17.5. I have 17.5. Got 1,500. 1,600. I have 15. 16. I got a 15. 16. I have 16. All joking aside, when you get that one done, that's really going to be a show car. 16. I got 15, 16. I had 16. 2-door car. 16. I got 15, 1,600. Anybody else for 1,600? That's 1,600. Anybody else? 15, 16, 1,600. Anybody else? I think somebody's messing the boat.
Hold on. I got a guy down here on the
It's red like lipstick. 16, 15, 1,600. 1,600.
Al Capone drove one like that.
16. Todd said Al Capone had one. 16. 15. 16. What, you get anything done? No, I got 15. Anybody else want it? Now 17. Now 17. 17. Your man's out. 17. Out 17. I got 16. 17. 1,700. I got 16. 1,700. 1,700. I got 16. 17. What you guys gonna do? That's 1,700. I got 16. 17. Do it. 1,700. Now whoever had the 15, one of you guys had 15. I got 16, 17. I got 16, 17, 1,700. Sold it to you. $1,600, number 55. All right, we got a Riviera. And this is a 67 Riviera. You get this thing all done. It'll look like that up there, as long as you paint it green. All right, how much? All right, here we get $2,000. What, 2? Down 2. He'll give $1,000. $1,000. He'll give 1,000. 500. What, 500? I had 7.5. And now 7.5. I got 500. 7.5. I'm over here now. 5, 7.5. I had 5 against 600. I had 5 against 600. Down 5, 6. Down 7, 700. Down 8, 800. Down 8. I got 7, 8. 800. 900. Now 9. 8, 9. 900. 800. Now $9,000. $1,000. $1,000 here down in the 1,000. 1,000. 9.5. So it said 9.5. I got 900. 9.5. 900.5. At 900.5. Pardon me, you're 9. Now $1,000. $1,000, Whisker. 1,000.5. 10.5. 1,000.5. 1,050. 1,050. 1,000.5. Here we go. 1,050 on to the $1,000. 50. 1,050. What do you say? 1,050. You want in? Now 1,100. Now half. 11.5. Anybody else? 11.50. 11.5. Now 12. Now 12. 1,200. 12. Now you said no before. You didn't mean it. 1,200. 1,200. How you doing? 1,200. Sold her right there. 11.5. 98. Right over here we got a New York one. Look here now. All right. Now, Lee Iacocca was known to drive one of these every now and then. Hey, anybody want to give $5,000? We'll give 500. 500. I remember what year I was. 500. 200. 200. 200. Anybody get 200. 200. You got 200 back here? 200.